So in today's video, we're going to open this huge Kohls package. Now, if y'all don't know, Kohls had a huge sale and I bought a bunch of things. So, let's open this big box. Wait, in this box, we have a bunch of papers. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 papers. Now, let's get into the actual box. I'm going to put the box on the floor. Let's get it. These biker shorts. I got this bodysuit, size large. It looks kind of huge. A dress size medium. Okay, there we go. Ooh, kind of long, but this cute little peachy, kind of long dress for me because I'm kind of short. But this dress, okay, I got this dress as well. It's pretty long, olive. This is kind of sheer. I can already tell that it's sheer, but it's pretty olive dress, size medium. Okay, I got this medium t-shirt. I always need an extra t-shirt. Tank top with the spaghetti strap. I got it. I have some olive cropped leggings, size medium leggings. I got this in a size large from the junior section. Okay, this is size large from the junior section. NYC little sweater. It is kind of see-through. I got another tank top in brown, basic everyday t-shirt. Next we have another dress. Because these dresses material looks so good, but they are see-through from where I stand. But it's pretty coral, pinkish, orangish color. A sheer covering for like a swimsuit that you can just throw on. We have another dress in the same material. I love these dresses so far. Like I said, a little see-through, but it's okay. Pretty long, gray. Can never go wrong with gray. Like I say, never go wrong with t-shirts. So just a basic t-shirt. Next, I got some leggings. I got these leggings last time I was actually in the store. I actually have this pair, the exact same color. I think it looks like the exact same color. Yes. Yes, the exact same leggings. They are over there. So next is this. This is actually not in a bag. This is a sweater, I think. Yep. A huge sweater. Perfect. I thought this was a jacket. But this is a, what size is this? Medium. So this is like an oversized shirt. Sweater, I mean. Black. And last thing, I think, yeah, this is the exact same thing. But this is a nudie, peachy kind of color, I guess you would call it. It's really soft. Softer than that one, for sure. So cute. Like I said, it's kind of big, but that's okay. We like oversized. So that is all, ain't it? So that's all that I got from Kohls. If you guys like these unboxing videos, let me know. I will try to do a try-on haul as soon as possible. Or if I've already done that, I will have a link down below. If not, follow, like, share, subscribe, all of the above to be notified of new videos. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!